To use a handrail template, navigate to Genie Templates, select Handrail Genie, and then click All Templates. From the left panel, choose Straight Run with 2 bends. You'll now see the 2-bend handrail displayed alongside our stair animation. Next, let's adjust the stair configuration to match our project. Click Stair Genie on the left panel. For this project, a recent development for a long-term care facility where precise configuration is vital, we will set the number of stairs to 9 and the stair rise to 7. Adjust the tread depth to 10.5. Finally, set both the top and bottom landings to 45. With the template section complete, click Export to Bend Editor. Now that we can see the finished part, you can right-click and drag to get a better vantage point. Let's make one final adjustment to the bottom landing. Click the tag icon to label the straights and bends. Select the area you wish to change and enter 50. The bottom landing is now 5 inches longer than before. Our part is complete. Remember, you can also make manual adjustments in the left panel where the specifications for each bend are listed. Thank you for watching.